In the previous issue, Ms. Wang filmed a video on how to correctly use relays to control the start and stop of our SDVC 31 series. Some customers commented on Ms. Wang. They are currently using the dual-channel external signal on or off control function, which requires 2 proximity switches for start or stop control. This has caused the controller's port C1 and C2 to be occupied, making it impossible to connect a relay to control the controller's start or stop. What should we do? In this case, we can simply use ports B1 and B2 on the controller's port B. Following my step-by-step instructions, we can see that port C is now occupied by 2 proximity switches, and the dual-channel external signal on or off control function has been implemented. Now, connect the relay to the controller's ports B1 and B2. In the traditional SDVC 31 interface, press and hold the function and up or down arrow keys to enter the advanced function parameter settings page. Short press the function key to switch to the P parameter, then adjust the P parameter value to 0. This switches the intelligent photoelectric port to NPN mode, achieving the same functionality as port C. This allows us to use port B to connect a relay for start or stop control. Let's connect an analog power supply to see the effect. Disconnect the power supply, and the controller stops. Restart the power supply, and the controller starts. Isn't that simple? If you have any questions about using the controller, please comment on Ms. Wang. I will provide videos to answer each question, and you'll also have a chance to win a small gift. See you next time.